pouring into somebody else's stuff. And they could care less if you're there or not. Because if you're not there, then put somebody else in your place.
Yeah.
They will fire you. You will be out of a job trying to find another form of slavery. You know? So, I think I probably beat that horse. I don't know if
Horses need a good beating every
horses, yes, exactly. So, but you know, that's the long and short of it. That's the long and short of it. It's about freedom.
Hey, you know, I'm gonna let you go ahead and eat because your food been here for a little while. So we'll just go ahead and end this right now. We can start up something a little bit later, but it's just the power of the events, man. You got to come. I mean, that's all I can say. We got 4 regional events.
I would encourage you, definitely come. Definitely come. You know, I came to the first one in Chicago, changed my life. Got back home, my wife was like, okay, you're different. And I was like, yeah, I am, aren't I? You know? And then it was so attractive to her that she was like, I've got to come to this event here. It looked like she wasn't going to be able to come, but I said, I'm not going to say anything. I'm going to let her make the choice. I didn't want to push her because I wanted her to say, you know what, I'm going to come. So some call or whatever we were on, it got so attractive to her that she's like, I want to go. I already had her ticket. Wait, you know, I already had her ticket. But then we're like, okay, you know what? Let's find a way, you know. And one thing that is the common theme that you will see running through the organization is we don't say can't, we say how can I,
right?
You know, and so and that's a whole new training, a whole new paradigm shift in life is saying, okay, how can I get this done? The things that I want to get done. You know, we ultimately find a way to do everything that we want to do. And so if we take that same mindset and say, you know what, I want to do this, so let me figure out how. You know, then you know it's a cakewalk after that. You go through a lot of growing phases,
right?
A lot of growing phases because you're challenged. You have to face your fears. I mean, look, when you make a choice to do something and you don't have the finances, you don't have the time off, you don't have the whatever it is, you're challenged because you know that when you make that step, you either are going to have to figure out how to create money out of nowhere. You're going to have to figure out how to multiply your time out of nowhere.
Speaking of money, finding money out of nowhere, we do have an Inner Circle audio talking about finding money out of thin air.
Yes. And it's all about opening your mind to the possibilities. You know, you'd be surprised at how many people would get behind you to find your purpose, to live on your vision, when they see that spark in you. You know, there's sometimes that I get in a conversation with folks, and just the energy that's coming off of that conversation, they're like, I want what you have.
Right.
Because when you plug into something that is just so much a part of who you are, something happens. Something happens, you know? And people, it's attractive. It's attractive. You know, I see a lot of people, they talk about the money and all that, and really, ultimately, nobody cares about the money.
Yeah.
They care about what the money can do.
Right.
Okay? And so, but when you start talking about fulfilling your life's destiny, you know, you start talking about the dreams that you have had for years and years, and now you finally have a vehicle to make those things come true.
See, but you know, you don't realize that until you get into the 15K. And you hear the first audio when he talk about finding your intention, knowing your goals.
Gotta get clear.
Got to get clear.
When you're not clear, folks who talk to you, you know, look, 95% of our communication is nonverbal.
Right.
And so our 5% are these words, and the words don't mean anything if you don't have everything else aligned. You know?
See, but you got to have the action behind the words.
And you have, again, that clarity. When you know what you're about, you don't have to say anything. People just feel it off of you. They're like, I don't know what it is about you, but there's something different about you. And whatever that is, that's what I want. You know, my wife and I have been getting that all weekend. Like, what about you two? What about you two?
Yeah.
Clarity.
Yeah.
Clarity changes the way people look at you.
Like I said, man, I'm gonna let you go ahead and eat. But before I end this, I want to hear from your wife because it's her first event, and I just.
Okay, and you're gonna see me like munching at it. You'll see food passing by. So, y'all go for it. Do your
but I just a quick little summary of the weekend for you.
It was empowering, and I mean, I didn't mentioned before, but it became crystal clear. You know, for me, like, yes, I can do this. You know, because before I had it, but it was like how Dev was saying, you know, he had this little when he was about to propose to his fiance, he was like, "Come on, you are free spilled now. You are about to mess it all up." And he said, "No, I'm ready to do it."
Right.
That's what this event did for me. Because before I was like, yeah. Then it was like, are you sure? I mean, come on, think about it. I mean, really? Should you wait until at least you have like a year in? Like, no. After being clear from here, no. I don't have to wait a year. I don't have to wait 3 months. I don't have to wait a month.
Yeah.
I know. I'm clear, crystal clear. So it was very good. And I wouldn't have accomplished that without being at the event. So you gotta get to that event.
You just got to, man. You got to get to the event. I think y'all enjoy yourself the rest of the trip. I just wanted to get a quick little, I guess, synopsis or a summary of how the event just, you know, touched each one of us in different ways. So y'all just click the link below, and we'll talk to y'all later.
Definitely.
I'll let y'all.
And you know what? Before you go, real quick, I think a lot of times folks kind of wonder how they can apply what they get from Empower in their business. You know, because most people are like, well, I don't want to sell that stuff. I want to do my thing, and you can do that. You can do that. You know.